Hi, my name is Carl, and today I want to show you how to fix lag on a computer for Minecraft. It's a good idea to know how to do this because if the game is running slowly, it can take away from the fun and the experience of the game. So what you want to do is to open up Minecraft and go into Options, and then go into your video settings. The video settings are going to drastically affect how smooth or how slow the game actually operates, especially if you're playing on a server. So you want to change your graphics over from fancy to fast. You can turn the smooth lighting over to off or at a minimum, and you can play around with these settings and turn the particles off and the clouds off and just adjust these different video settings so that the game doesn't lag and it runs a lot more smoothly for you. So my name is Carl, and today I showed you how to fix lag on a computer for Minecraft. I hope that gets you back to playing the game the way that you would like to play it.